Good afternoon. Right now at noon, the number of new coronavirus cases just keeps rising here in Florida. We've been seeing a sudden spike for really the last 2 weeks.
It comes as reopening plans move forward across the state, and Local 10 News reporter Ian Margol is live at Hard Rock Stadium in Miami Gardens with a look at the latest numbers. Ian.
And today we saw yet another big jump. In fact, we are now over 3,000 deaths statewide. Take a look. This is the latest data that we have. Florida now has more than 82,700 cases and 3,018 deaths. Miami-Dade accounts for more than 23,000 of those cases and 850 deaths, while Broward is approaching 10,000 cases and has 360 deaths. Now, this is all part of an alarming trend that we have been seeing. In fact, today is the 14th out of 15 days where Florida has reported at least 1,000 new cases. Yesterday was the highest we have ever seen in one day with 2,783 cases, while the lowest in this 15-day stretch was last Monday, where there were still 966 new cases. And another concerning thing we saw yesterday, 10.3% of people tested for the first time tested positive for COVID-19. That means 10.3% of all the people tested in that period tested positive. Now, over the past 14 days, it has fluctuated from 3 to 7%, but again, yesterday was that largest percentage of people testing positive. In response, Governor Ron DeSantis spoke yesterday saying this is all because of more testing.
Back in April, you remember when we started doing our phase one, I made the point that as you test more, you will see more cases because you're identifying those subclinical cases that just would not have been tested previously. And I said that, you could see, 2,000 cases a day in a state this big. That was something that was definitely in the offer for this.
But some experts are saying that that is not totally true. In fact, there are several states that are doing more testing and seeing their COVID cases going down, like New York State. But here in Florida, we are continuing to see the numbers go up. And some experts also say that this could also be because of the loosening restrictions as we continue to open up the state of Florida. Live in Miami Gardens, I'm Ian Margol, Local 10 News.